I commanded 100 soldiers. I enforced Rome's law without mercy. But one day, I risked execution for a Jewish teacher. Not for my life, for the life of a servant boy. In Rome, authority is everything. A centurion gives an order, and men obey. I knew power. I knew discipline. I knew fear. But there was one thing I could not command. The boy who served in my house was dying. Fever burned through him like wildfire. My soldiers could face swords without flinching. But this enemy we could not fight. Then I heard rumors. A man walking through Galilee, healing the sick, restoring the broken. Some called him teacher. Others called him prophet. But many whispered something far more dangerous. Messiah. Understand this. A Roman officer asking help from a Jewish preacher was not just strange. It was dangerous. Rome demanded loyalty. And aligning yourself with a man stirring the crowds could end a career, or worse. When I found him, I expected resistance. Instead, he looked at me with something I had rarely seen. Compassion. He said he would come to my house, but I stopped him. Lord, I am not worthy to have you enter under my roof. Just say the word, and my servant will be healed. I understood authority. I tell a soldier, go, and he goes. I tell another, come, and he comes. If this man truly held power over sickness, a single word would be enough. And then something unexpected happened. The teacher was amazed. By the time I returned home, the boy was already healed. No touch, no ritual, just a word. I was a Roman soldier, an outsider, yet faith opened a door even Rome could not control. Today, the world still believes power comes from status, rank, or authority. But the greatest power I ever witnessed came from something far simpler. Faith in just one word from Him. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more biblical content and how they connect to today's modern world.